What if I told you, there are just 5 stocks you could buy today, hold for the next 10, 20, even 30 years, and get paid passive income the entire time? Not hype. Not speculation. But real, proven dividend machines. In today's video, we're breaking down 5 forever dividend stocks companies that pay you consistently, businesses that can survive recessions, crashes, and uncertainty, and trust me, stock number 4 and number 5 are the ones most investors completely ignore. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. What makes a forever dividend stock? Before we jump into the list, you need to understand this. A forever stock is not just about high yield. It must have consistent cash flow, strong competitive advantage, ability to grow dividends over time, resilience during downturns, because here's the truth, anyone can pay a high dividend today. But only a few companies can keep paying and growing it forever. Stock number 1, Pfizer Inc. PFE. Why it stands out: global pharmaceutical giant, massive cash flow from drugs and AMT vaccines, strong dividend history. This is the kind of company that literally the world depends on. From life-saving drugs, to vaccines, to ongoing research pipelines, Pfizer generates billions in revenue every year. Even after the COVID boom slowed down, the company still maintains strong free cash flow, a solid dividend yield, long-term drug development potential. Key insight: healthcare demand never disappears. People will always need medicine. That's what makes Pfizer a long-term income play. Stock number 2, the Clorox Company, CLX. Why it stands out: consumer staple giant, recession-resistant products, decades of dividend growth. This is what we call a boring but powerful stock. Why? Because it sells things people need: cleaning supplies, disinfectants, household essentials. Whether the economy is booming or crashing, people still clean their homes. Key insight: this is the definition of recession-proof income. Clorox has been paying dividends for decades, and continues to increase them steadily. Stock number 3, Federal Realty Investment Trust, FRT. Why it stands out: one of the longest dividend growth REITs, premium retail locations, reliable rental income. This REIT owns high-quality retail locations in wealthy areas. Think prime shopping centers, mixed-use developments, locations with strong foot traffic. What makes FRT special? It has increased its dividend for 50+ consecutive years. That's right. Even through recessions, crashes, pandemic shutdowns, it kept paying investors. Stock number 4, VICI Properties Inc. VICI. Why it stands out: owns casino real estate, Las Vegas, etc., long-term triple net leases, high and growing dividend. This company owns the real estate behind casinos, resorts, entertainment venues, and here's the best part: it uses triple net leases, meaning tenants pay taxes, tenants pay maintenance, tenants pay insurance. Translation: VICI just sits back and collects rent. That's why it delivers strong cash flow, high dividend yield, predictable income. Stock number 5, American Tower Corporation, AMT. Why it stands out: owns cell towers globally, benefits from 5G growth, recurring revenue model. This company owns cell towers all over the world. And guess what? Every time you make a call, stream a video, use mobile data, these towers are working. Why this is huge? Telecom companies must rent space on these towers. That creates recurring income, long-term contracts, built-in growth with data usage. Why these 5 together are powerful? When you combine these 5 stocks, you get diversification across healthcare, PFE, consumer staples, CLX, retail real estate, FRT, entertainment real estate, VICI, telecom infrastructure, AMT. Result: multiple income streams, lower risk, long-term dividend growth. Risks to consider: let's keep it real. Even forever stocks have risks. Pharma revenue declines, PFE, consumer slowdown, CLX, interest rate pressure on REITs, FRT, VICI, AMT. That's why diversification matters. How to build a forever dividend portfolio. Simple strategy. Buy consistently, reinvest dividends, hold long term, because wealth is built by time in the market, not timing the market. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing. Investing involves risk, including loss of capital. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of investors. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 stocks would you buy today? Or are you already holding any of them? Comment down below. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, because on this channel, we talk about real strategies to build real passive income.